Yr ôl beiniad. Yr ergyd gan Beattie! Na chi, goal!
It was a good goal, but at the time I didn't think it was as special as it was. Obviously, after watching it back on the replay, it was a really good finish. My little brother, my half-brother in America, messaged me saying he'd seen it, so I know it's got that far. And I've heard talks of it being in an Italian paper as well.
I could see him lining up, like the ball's been cleared. I could see him lining up. I thought, nah, surely he's not going to shoot from there. Surely he's not going to have a go from there. But it's just flown in the back of the net, and I just couldn't believe it. Put my hands on the head, looked towards the bench, and just couldn't believe he scored.
But at the time, it was quite surreal. It was a little bit of disbelief. Has that really just happened? And did I see what I've just seen, really? And obviously, it was a great feeling. We haven't been able to get away from it in the last few days, but it's something that he's capable of. You know, we do see it quite regularly in training, not specifically things like that, but he's always trying the unusual, and a lot of the time it comes off.
I mean, it's everywhere, isn't it? On Twitter, Facebook, Sky Sports News, it's just everywhere. You know, when I'm a PE teacher, the kids in school are asking about it. It's just, you know, it's been a bit crazy, really. For the Welsh Premier League and for our club, you know, it's something like that. It's gone global, and it's a good thing for the league, I think, as well as the club.
Do you reckon you could do it again?
So, yeah, probably. We'll give it a go.
Come on! One more,
Tricked you. I think so.